G'day, I'd like to talk about Jackson and Jordan and how happy I am that those two have found each other. I mean, seriously, it's great that those two have found love in each other, and I wish them all the best in their future together. I mean, Jackson and Jordan are my two best mates there, and I couldn't be more happy for them as a mate. So yeah, Jackson and Jordan, congratulations on both of you. You two deserve to be happy, and I hope that I'm just really happy for the both of you. Just love couldn't blossom more when you two were together, and I guess that's the truth there. I guess, and yeah, just both really happy for you both. And yeah, I guess I'm just really wrapped for the two of you. But yeah, I'm just really both happy for the both of you. And yeah, I'm just really happy for the both of you. So yeah, this video is dedicated to you two. And yeah, I really hope, and yeah, just congratulations on you two finding happiness together. Really do. Alright, cheers guys.